let's talk about the two complaints that we always hear. How do I sleep without back pain? And do I have sciatica? Well, the quick fix might not just be changing your furniture. Oftentimes, if you do have a firmer or softer mattress, if it's not supporting your spine, you're going to wake up sore. So the best way to sleep with low back pain is putting a pillow in between your knees so that your hips stay aligned, and also a pillow in between your arms so that your shoulders don't cave under. But that's just a temporary fix. If you're having sciatica symptoms, that might mean that the nerve is being compressed somewhere. So the fix might not just be stretching, but you need manual therapy, stretching, and postural corrective exercises. So that's what we do here at Manhattan Physical Therapy. Our approach is we combine sleep strategy as well as corrective exercises and targeted manual therapy. This isn't just about quick fixes, it's about long-term results. So we want to make sure that you get your strength back and we're addressing the root of the problem. So if you find yourself Googling what kind of mattresses should I get for low back pain or sciatica treatment in New York City, just know that the problem is understanding your body, and we want to make sure that that's what we do first and foremost. So make sure if you are feeling those symptoms, you come into Manhattan Physical Therapy and we can address your sciatica symptoms and your low back pain. See you guys soon.